Hello students, today we are going to start our second life process, that is the respiration. We have seen the nutrition, okay. So the next life process is the respiration. So respiration is what? It is the process by which living being utilizes the food to get energy is called respiration, okay. And respiration is what? It is an oxidation process and in which the carbohydrate is oxidized to produce energy. Clear? In this what happens? The carbohydrate is oxidized to produce energy, and the site of respiration is mitochondria, and the energy released is stored in the form of ATP, because we all know that mitochondria is what? It is the powerhouse of the cell. So it generates energy in the form of ATP. Okay, so from the mitochondria what? The energy is released and is stored in the form of ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate. Okay, and ATP is stored in mitochondria and is released as per need. So this is what about the respiration. Now we will see the steps of respiration. So there are 3 steps in respiration. So first we will see that is the breaking down of the glucose into pyruvate. So we all know that glucose is what? It is a 6 carbon atom. Clear? And the breakdown of the glucose, okay, this happens in cytoplasm. Okay, the breakdown of glucose, this takes place in the cytoplasm, and glucose is broken down into the pyruvic acid. Glucose is broken down into pyruvic acid. We will see later the equation. Okay, so first just we are seeing that what are the steps. Okay, so in this the breakdown of the glucose takes place in the cytoplasm, and glucose is broken into the pyruvic acid. And glucose is what? It is a 6 carbon atom. Okay, glucose is what? It is 6 carbon, and pyruvic acid is 3 carbon atom. It is 3 carbon atom. So this is what? It is the breaking down of glucose into pyruvate. The second step is the fate of pyruvic acid. Fate of pyruvic acid. Second, fate of pyruvic acid. Here what happens? Further breaking of the pyruvic acid takes place in the mitochondria. Okay, this takes place in mitochondria, and the molecules formed depend upon the type of respiration in a particular organism, because in different organisms the respiration is of different types, and we know that respiration is of 2 types. It is aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. So this pyruvic acid, okay, breakdown of the pyruvic acid, this takes place in the mitochondria, okay, and it depends upon the type of respiration in a particular organism. Now the third point is that the respiration involves So in this what happened? The gaseous exchange intake, okay, gaseous exchange. First is what here? Gaseous exchange. In gaseous exchange what happens? There is intake of oxygen, okay, there is intake of oxygen from the atmosphere and release of carbon dioxide. Okay, that is what? Breathing. That process is known as the breathing. Intake of oxygen from the atmosphere and release of carbon dioxide, that is known as the breathing. And second is what? That means gaseous exchange, that is the breathing. And here second one is that is the cellular respiration. cellular respiration. In cellular respiration, what happens? There is breakdown of simple food in order to release energy inside the cell. That is known as the cellular respiration. So, in this class, we have seen about the respiration and what are the steps of respiration. In next video, we will see what are the types of respiration. Thank you.